What's up? I didn't do anything today, so here's a project I did last year for school. The original plan for this was a big surprise and to, follow that storyline. But as it turns out, when I got home, my car wouldn't start. So we're gonna follow that story instead. Welcome to Activity 4. Is it 4? So I came home to surprise my mom. I was gonna drive to her work, but car won't start. So that's dope. How are you today? My mom was asking me where jumper cables were the other day, now that I think about it. She knew my car wasn't gonna start. And my car's a mess too. Like, there's coffee and Coke and I don't get small coffee cups. This is not gonna do anything. I'm not happy, dude. No. No. And now I'm gonna have to call my mom and tell her that I'm here and that she ruined everything because my car won't start. I had to tell her I was here because I'm also starving because I didn't eat on the way and I'm hungry. Not a happy person. I'm impatient, my plans were ruined. Don't ask me why. I spent 5 minutes talking to myself alone in a car to a camera. Did you do to the bathroom sink?
That was a Leah and Cora.
Oh, yeah.
It was.
Next question. Why is there all this fast food in the fridge that's like 3 weeks expired? Was that them too?
What did you do to your pants?
Well, shut up. The lights came on and the air came on, but that was it. I told you to drive it around the block or something.
No, you didn't.
I did.
Start my car. Why are you recording me?
Because I want to get a good grade. Duh. If only. Great thumbnail.
Go, start your car.
Start my car?
Yeah.
Now? There we go. Big bet. What'd she say?
Please, I need
I'm
you.
busy. I'm not gonna be here.
I need you.
You didn't even know I was gonna be here.
Yeah, I did.
Oh yeah, you did. Sure.
I'm gonna keep these in case it dies.
Sure. Aren't they mine anyway? The end.
I
I'm
missed you.
sure. Oh, I feel like you missed me.
I did miss you, my baby.
Advising, yes, this Tyson. None of you hoes will ever see my pen. Why you sell Mickey boot just to drive in? The way my football just give me the Heisman.
In case you're wondering, I got an A.